Hey everyone! Today I will be covering Canva's Magic Studio and teaching you how to use Canva's AI toolset to level up your visuals in your workplace. Because of their super user-friendly design, you don't need any technical experience to produce wowing visuals that level up your HR work. First, we're going to be covering Canva AI. This is the biggest feature that you want to know, and it's their classic engine where you prompt exactly like you would ChatGPT. Okay, this is my homepage, and we're going to click straight into this area where you see Canva AI. And there's a lot of different things that they already preset that you can do. There's a lot of examples that you can follow. Today, the example I'm going to be using is creating a hiring poster. So this is something I don't see very often, but really strengthens your company and personal brand. They also made it really easy by categorizing its different features. You can create a video, code, design, or image, even writing. Today we are going to be doing a design. Okay, this seems like a pretty fitting description. I'm going to put it in and see what it says. Here you can specify even further. I would like design. Okay, here are our options. There's a big variety across the board, and now I get to refine which ones I like, which ones I don't, to really perfect my graphic. My favorite out of these four is this one. I think it's the most clean and it's the most modern. I'm going to click into it, and then it allows me to use Canva Editor. So I can go straight into picking the parts I like and picking the parts I don't. But something I want to try and implement is a photo of myself. The thing is, I don't want the background. So right up here, you can press background remover. It detects it, and it instantly gets rid of the background, which is really good. I'm going to format it so that I'm visible at the bottom with my contact information. So I'm pretty happy with this. Let's see if we can improve some of the other designs. I think this one in particular has potential, but let's fix it up a bit. I'm going to go into my Canva editor and would like to edit this photo in particular. I can go up here, press the image edit button, and actually get all of my Magic Studio tools right on this first bar. So now that we're in our editor, there are a couple more tools I'd like to show you. So for example, this image, if I want to edit it, I can go up here to the image edit button and actually get all of my AI tools right here on the very top. Let's try their magic eraser. So say I want to remove this person in the back. I can highlight it, press erase, and then voila. And you can tell that they do a pretty good job. So once I go back, you can barely tell the difference. Another tool is the Magic Edit. I'm going to put in this computer. I think I'm looking for something a little more modern. I think the monitor gives away that's a pretty old photo. I personally really like this one. I think it does a pretty good job. And then you can go back and tell that the image is pretty well done. One feature I would also like to show you is Magic Media. Magic Media allows you to prompt your own graphical element. So I put in a coffee cup and I get just so many different styles. And here I can also do different graphics. I think the best part about the Magic Suite is it's all of your visual AI tools that you want in one place. So yes, you can try and prompt ChatGPT or other software, but they localize it to make it so that every single little detail is to your liking. The last thing I want to show you is Canva's work kits, specifically for human resources. So they have a whole set of templates that you can pick from, ready-made, and then you can edit them and tailor them to your company, to your personal brand, however you would like. The last thing I want to note that there are a lot of free tools and tools locked behind paywalls. You can accomplish a lot just with your free Canva account though, which is my favorite part, that they offer a lot of features, including the Magic Suite, that aren't involved with the premium plan, and their premium plan isn't that expensive, so it's definitely something worth checking out. There's a lot of customizability and ease with Canva's Magic Suite and AI tools. You don't need an artistic or technical background to make brand-worthy visuals, so don't hesitate to start creating stronger branding and visual communication using Canva's Magic Suite. That's all for today's video. Be sure to follow Horizon and Litespace for more content where I will be sharing AI HR hacks and tips.